I'm in the frame. Okay. Hi everyone. How are you all? I'll wait for about 30 seconds for people to join in and then we'll get started. How's everyone doing? Hi the Herbo. Hi Beaded by MK. So I have some news for you all, but I will wait until the end to share the surprise with you all. Another thing is we are dropping a lot of new embellishments, like so. I'll be giving out the prizes here itself. So in case if you all want to book it before I upload them, because uploading takes a little while, so you all can book via DM. So let's get started.
100 rupees 6 pieces.
Okay. These are bunny ears, not exactly bunny ears, but you all can use it for the headbands or just the alligator clips like this. These will be sold only in pairs. You all can select the colors which you all want, but they will be sold only in pairs. 100 rupee for 6 pieces. We have different colors in this. The finishing is fantastic of this. So if you all decide like pink, blue, so you all will get it in pair. 100 rupee for 3 pair or 6 pieces.
Multicolor, 2 options.
Multicolor options. So we have limited pieces in this. 100 rupee for 6 pieces.
50 rupees 20 pieces.
These are small stars. 50 rupee for 20 pieces. We have 2 shades in this.
I think
Light pink and dark pink. I guess we have gold also in this, no? But little slightly bigger.
gold silver भी है.
We have gold
Same,
silver also,
same.
but that is already uploaded on the page. So 20 pieces for
50 rupees.
50 rupees. So one piece comes about 2 rupee 50 paise. This is 50 rupee 20 pieces
Mixed pack.
mixed pack. These are all glitters only. To give you an idea of the colors,
₹70 20 pieces.
₹70 for 20 pieces. Should be able to show you. Very cute bows. You all can put stones in the center and use it as bow center also if you all want. I'll show you all the colors. Purple, blue, yellow, white and pink. Again 70 rupees for 20 pieces.
₹60 10 pieces.
60 rupees for 10 pieces. 60 rupees for 10 pieces.
60 10.
60 rupees for 10 pieces. Yeah, random color. You can select the colors also if you want. 60 rupees for 10 pieces.
₹50 10 pieces.
₹50 for 10 pieces. ₹50 for 10 pieces.
$50 for 10.
₹50 for 10 pieces. We have about 3 colors in this, or maybe more. I'm not sure. ₹50 for 10 pieces, right?
₹10 5 pieces.
We already have another variations in this, but ₹60 for 5 pieces. ₹60 for 5 pieces. I assume there are only 3 colors in this. ₹60 for 5 pieces. Hi everyone, joining us now. ₹60 for 5 pieces.
75 5 pieces.
We sold out like crazy on the small caps in this. This is
Small are restocked again.
small also, we restocked it. These are slightly bigger than that, not slightly, a lot bigger than that. This is 75 for 5 pieces. 75 for 5 pieces. These are the colors.
80 for 5.
These are 80 for 5 pieces. 80 for 5 pieces. Whoever you're like, whenever if you're like something, take a screenshot and share with us. Or when I'm done with the live, I will save the live so you all can go and watch it again. This is 80 rupee for 5 pieces. Once again, we have multicolors also in this. You all can check it on the page. 80 rupees for 5 pieces.
70 rupees 7 pieces.
₹70 for 7 pieces. 70 rupee for 7 pieces. They are good size. Not very big actually. Perfect for bow centers. You all can. I don't know if I have the bow. I could show you. Just a sec. I'll try to bring a bow.
Silver and all are good.
Just giving you an idea. You all can use it. So put it in the center here, and then again it takes the look to another level only. This is 70 rupee for 7 pieces.
80 rupees 70.
These are slightly bigger than that, no?
Not material, shades.
No, the size is also bigger. 1 second. Size is also bigger.
Double भी use हुए
Okay.
overlap भी use हुए
This na, yeah, they can do it actually. This is 80 rupee for 5 pieces. We have different colors in this.
80 for 7 pieces.
Sorry. This is 80 for 7 pieces, so sorry. 80 for 7 pieces. Please note these are shaded ones. So no two pieces will be same. 80 for 7. $80 for 7 pieces.
$120 for 5 pieces.
These are double layers. $120 for 5 pieces. If you all want, you all can get creative, separate the layers and use it also. That will be like 2 pieces. We are selling these small bows also individually. This is 2 layers, 120 for 5 pieces. We have 2 colors in this, pink and yeah, okay.
$50 for 5 pieces.
1 minute. These are 50 for 5 pieces. Glitter embellishments. Very nice finishing. 50 for 5 pieces.
$80 for 5.
80 rupees for 5 pieces. Look at the details. 80 rupees for 5 pieces.
This can be used for Rakhi charms.
These all embellishments you all can use for Rakhi charm except for the bunny ears. Each and every charm you all can use it as Rakhi charms as well. 80 for 5 pieces. Very pretty. Limited stock in this, as you all can see. You mean
75 5 pieces.
75 for 5 pieces. Super cute bunny. 75 for 5 pieces. Back is black.
$75 5 pieces.
Okay, the bow is missing on this.
Look at check please.
75 for 5 pieces. 75 for 5 pieces.
80 for 5.
80 rupees for 5 pieces. 80 rupees for 5
New
pieces.
shade पहला बेच चुके हैं. This is new shade.
This is new shade. The other shade that we had on the page that is sold out. This is the only available shade. 80 for 5 pieces. Very cute. You in the packet, no?
80 for 5.
80 rupees for 5 pieces. Please stay until the end if you all want to know the surprise. 80 for 5 pieces.
$100 for 5 pieces.
How cute is this? 100 rupee for 5 pieces. This has a lot of aspect. Wings, rainbow, cloud, horn. Very pretty. 100 rupee for 5 pieces.
$100 for 5.
100 rupee for 5 pieces. This is 2 layer. 100 rupee. Please note it will come like this. You all can stick it if you all don't want to see this part. But it will come like this. 100 rupee for 5 pieces. The back is pink. 100 rupee for 5 pieces. This is my favorite.
100 rupee 4 pieces.
Okay.
Best item.
This is by far my best favorite piece. 100 rupee for 4 pieces. It's pretty big. 100 rupee for 4 pieces. Okay. It's not picking up the color. This is on pastel shade, but the camera is not picking up the color. I'll try to. This is rupees 100 for 5 centimeter by 35 centimeters. Rupees 100. We will cut it and send it. 100 rupee for 5 centimeter by 35 centimeters. This is Resham Dori. A lot of people are using those, making those hanging bows. I don't know the measurement of this. If I get time, I'll try to upload it on the page. A lot of people are asking us for this. Rupees 40 each. Y'all can remove this charm and use any sort of embellishments that you'll have for this. This is in trend a lot lately. We have selected colors only. Just this much stock. Soldering iron. I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people were asking for it. I could not manage to get a good deal, but still somehow I managed to get this one. 150 rupee for this soldering iron. This is 25 watts. No attachment, nothing. No guarantee, no warranty.
Basic.
This is basic for your basic needs if you want to use it. 150 rupee for the soldering iron. I just have 2 in stock. This, I've got 3 colors in this: gold, silver and copper. This will be sold only as a card. The quality is fantastic. If I'm saying this, the thickness, it's very nice. The shine also is very nice.
96.
This card is for 96 rupees
12 pieces.
for 12 pieces. 96 rupees for 12 pieces. Now as for the surprise, one second, give me your phone. I had the message typed. Okay. So as for the surprise, it's been a very long time since I declared a sale. So I thought I'll do a little sale. However, there are few terms and conditions. I will mention them now. Minimum purchase is going to be 1000 rupee. In past we did not have minimum purchase, but this time we are going to keep a minimum purchase of 1000 rupee. That is excluding non-sale item, pre-order item and shipping and handling. Few items are excluded from the sale. That is, glue stick is not included in the sale. No discount on combo offers. Barrettes and alligators, thank you. Sticker rolls, bead patches, stencil. These are already at the best prices that we can offer at the moment. As for the alligator clips, we had already posted at a very good discounted price. Key fob hardware, pliers, nylon bands. We don't have this offer on nylon bands because those are already posted at a very good price. Any other pre-order item, and if there is anything that we have missed out in the list, if and when you place the order, I will let you know. However, please keep in mind, you will have to pay advance of 100 rupee before sharing the list to avoid time pass clients, so-called clients. Book only if you are sure. Items are limited. There are chances they might go out of stock. When I take the order, it's practically not possible to check every time the stock for every order. So we only know the availability of the order once we sit to pack your order. If particular item is not in stock, we will try to inform you. We will inform you. If you don't want, if you want to add anything else for that amount, you can do it. However, we won't be cancelling the entire order just because certain item or a particular item is not in stock. If you are particular about any item that you want, like ये item चाहिए ही चाहिए, then you please mention that I want to place order only if this item is in stock. In past, I've had lot of issues with people mentioning that they wanted a particular item and it was not in stock. I hope I'm not confusing. Shipping and handling is starting from 93 rupees, out of which 50 is handling is fixed. Details are on the page. You all can go through that. Lately, we have started sending parcels via courier, that is Trupti, Anjani, Mark, Express B. We still don't have tie-up with DTDC because they charge us about 350 rupee per kg. So Mark, Anjani, Trupti, Mahavir, few of them are there. If they are serviceable in your area and if you are willing to pay 100 plus 50 handling charges, you all can, that is starting, okay? You all can place the order. You all can ask us to send via courier. You all can create your own label if you all have any tie-up. In that case, 50 rupee handling charges is applicable. Another thing is, we want to open walk-in for our shops. We are located in Bhayandar. However, I would still suggest everything is very neatly posted on the page. In shop, we don't have display, so it's practically not possible for us to show everything that is there. However, if anybody still wants to visit us, they can inform us one day in advance and we'll try to arrange something. Sale, as of now, we don't have a set date for sale. There's a call. You can answer later on. We don't have set date. You all can start placing your order. We will decide if it's for a week or 10 days, depending on the response. Glitter sheets, they are already posted at a very good price. Discount is not applicable on the combo prices at all. Single pieces you all can opt for this thing, you all can make discount, but combo price is already listed at a discounted price. So I would suggest, if you all want to stock up for anything, this is the time to stock up. Anything else, if you all have any questions, please do send us a DM and we'll get back to you shortly regarding that. Hope you enjoyed our drop today. Alright, have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Any questions, you all please send us a DM. Bye bye.